Hey guys, this is Shehzan. Today we have a special video because today I'm gonna unbox and review Voila L Pen tablet from Veikk. So let's start it. So let's open it seal, and once you open it, you will see a tablet in the top, in plastic bag. Let's keep it side and go for accessories. Here we have a quick user guide in different languages, as you can see that. Some extra replacing keys. Also you will get spare nibs and nibs remover, L-type C cable. At the end we have Veikk pen, which is fully made of plastic and rubber. It's a battery free, so that's a good thing. If we talk about pen tablet, it comes in a plastic bag, which is a good quality. As you can see, it's fully made of plastic with a matte finish. And in the back, it has rubber feet to avoid moving when you draw on it. So there is a dial which you can use for multiple tasks like zoom in, zoom out, moving, and all these things. And the most interesting part is it keys. Yeah, you can just remove it, add different keys according to your choice. It has only two colors, orange and black. It has 8192 pressure level, which is so good. Now you can see that मैंने यहाँ पे गोकू का sketch already कर रखा है and मैं अभी color करने जा रहा हूँ. This dial helps me a lot while working because it's made things easy. I don't need to use keys to zoom in, zoom out again and again when I'm drawing. What you need to do is just play with the dial and automatically things happen. It's really helpful because it saves a lot of time. I've seen some of tablet which has dial like one Q620M, which costs around $87.99, almost $88, and this tablet costs almost half of it. So basically you are getting all the features in cheap price. So it has 10 into 6 inches working area, which is quite good. Overall my experience with this tablet is good. All keys I need is in this tablet. Its surface is fully matte finish like a paper, which gives you a real experience like you are working on a paper, as compared to other cheap tablet which has a little reflective surface which creates interruption while working on it. This tablet is thin and lightweight. Also it has a medium size, so you can carry it easily anywhere you want. After using it, I can say that this tablet is best for beginners. If you are new or you want to start some digital artworks, then you should buy this because it's cheap and under budget tablet. Use Shehzan to get 5% off on Veikk Amazon store. So links are in the description. You guys must go and check this out. So I will see you in the next video. Tab tak ke liye goodbye and take care. Also don't forget to like,